Namaste everyone. I hope that you all are fine, that you've begun this week at a beautiful note. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the energy of this week according to the tarot. But before I begin the video, let me introduce myself for all of those who do not know me. I am Ruhi Ahluwalia, a coach and a therapist. I help and accompany people in the domain of health, career, relationship and finances to overcome challenges. So let's see what do we have in store for us this week. So to begin with, we have this card. This card tells us that this is the week where we need to harmonize the things. This is the week where you can have new signatures, new deals, new negotiations fixing up. This is also a week where you're going to transfer a lot of information. This is a week where you really have to work on your communication skills to negotiate very important things in your life. As far as the professional life is concerned, we've got these two cards that tell me that for some people they might be starting a new job or new contract, and I also see people juggling between two activities. So this is a week of new startups. New starting a point for a few people. Even if you have an impression or feeling that the professional life is going very slow, in the long term, whatever you're going to start in this week is going to yield good results in the future. Let's see what the financial life has in store for us. With these two cards, I can say that financial life looks great this week. You are going to receive money in any form, gifts or in cash or kind from all around you, because I see new collaborations happening that will help you to have a better financial status. I also see that you're going to be very strong with your money management this week. So overall finances look great this week. As far as love life is concerned, we've got these two cards. Now these two cards tell me that for some people the relationships are going to be a bit stagnated. This is not the week to take important decisions as far as your love life is concerned. I suggest that you should postpone these important decisions to some time later on, because the card suggests that this week you have to just let go of certain things. Don't take any important decisions. Don't pinpoint to anyone what the person has to do or not has to do. This is not the week to focus on important relationship matters. Just let it be. Let the time take care of these relationships so that you can address them later on in a better environment. As far as the health is concerned, we got these two cards that tell us that this week we really need to take care of our health, mental health, because some people would find themselves a bit depressed, moral being low. So try and go out and spend as much as time possible in the nature, and if possible walk barefoot on the grass, because that ways you can really balance all the negative energies circulating in your body, and instantly you're going to feel really good. So health is important, especially the mental health this week. As far as the message of the week is concerned, we've got this card that tells us that this is a week that demands you important decision making. You have to have good communication skills. You also need to work on your balance. So this is the week where you have to work on your balance, because if you're not balanced, your decisions are not going to be balanced. So you may have to put an extra effort in finding that balance inside, outside of you, to be able to use the potentials of this week in the best possible way. If you like this video, please hit on the like button, share this video with at least 3 people that you know to inspire, guide others, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to continue to receive further notifications. Until then, I wish you a very beautiful week and a lot of love.